Hi, in this video we're going to display the high scores and current scores if we can. So we need some more variables. We already have a number of these variables, but we need one more, and that's for the label for the high scores. So it's a string. And we've got our string arrays, so that'll take care of the rest of them. But now we need a number of position variables. So these will be vector 2's, so we can have x and y positions. And I'm going to use a slightly different numbering convention on some of these. And numbering convention is, it's not that critical. It's just up to you. Just to keep things apart, to keep things straight in your mind, what goes where. You can use what I'm using or use your own. See, I'm doing a lot of copy-paste here. We've talked about the potential dangers of doing this, but it does certainly make things go faster. Now in the initialize method, we're going to put the value for the label. So that's high scores. There we go. And now the positions. And we'll start this. And remember, these have an X and a Y. These are going to go in the middle, sort of in a column down the middle of the screen. And here they all are. They're in your book. Again, if you use different font than what I'm using, you might need to edit those, make those a little bit different. Then the next thing we need to do is draw the scores on the screen. So if bool high scores run, and here are all of them inside the if test. And again, these are in your book. Don't worry about copying them off the screen. And I'm just going to save for a second. Now there's one more thing we have to do. Right now in the win graphic I have, it's not enough room to type those. So I'm going to change this. I made a new one called winner, with a little bit of extra space, so we'll bring that in. And then here where we assign the graphic, we just change that, save it again, and that will run. And if there's no errors, it'll start, and B key, and start shooting at the burgers. And now we have 2 levels, so it takes a little longer to get there. Oops, we'll have to come back and get that one. And there. Okay, so current score 450, high score is 450, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's it, and we're done.